and welcome back to VA Wonder, your weekly Canva toolkit for entrepreneurs, small business owners, and creatives. Today, I'm showing you how to create a realistic metal text effect in Canva. Very fast, very easy, and I have a great bonus tip for you at the end. So let's dive in. Open a new design in Canva. You can use any size. Today, I'm using an A6 landscape postcard size. Start by adding your text. Click on Text or simply press T on your keyboard as a keyboard shortcut. Now type your word. You can use any font for this metal text effect. Increase your font size and update your font depending on your design. In this example, I'm going to use the words Happy Holidays. If you're looking for a script font, search for the word calligraphy in the Canva font text box. Now let's quickly add that metal text effect. Select the word you want to update. Click on Color, go all the way to the bottom, Default Gradient Colors. Click on See All. Hidden right on the bottom row, you will see all the metal gradient color options. Choose your favorite. If you have more words on your design that you want to change to the same color, click on Change All. To add a shadow, you have a few options. Click on your text, go to Edit, choose Shadow. Choose your shadow color. And then you can play around with the offset, direction, blur, and transparency of your shadow. Another fun option is to use Lift. For the third option, let's remove the lift. So click on to None. Click on your text and duplicate it. Now this duplicated layer, update the color of it. Then you can also update the transparency, so bring that down. Then move this layer exactly where you would like it to be. And then you can go to your layers and make sure that you move this layer to the back. Okay? If it is here, it's a little bit more difficult. If it's underneath this metal layer, it will be more difficult to move it around. So if you want to move it around again, bring it to the top, and then you will see it's easier to move it around. And here is a bonus tip. At the moment, you can't update any graphics in Canva with this specific metal effect. Let me show you. Say we've got the circle and we go to color. And we go all down. We don't have the gradient options for this, okay? But let's delete this. If we go back to elements and we search for circle frame, so no graphics, we're looking for the frames, and we then click over a circle and we go to the color. Well, first you can see that there the color is because we've just used it and now recently used. But if we go down, we will see the default gradient color options again. And right here at the bottom, here they will be again. Okay, so we will be able to create a frame with this metal effect in it. If this tutorial helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which effect you want next. And if you want more Canva magic, check out my playlist linked below. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.